Hey guys, Josh here again, and in this video I want to simplify your road to Sendiio success and put you on the fast lane. What if you can bypass all the technical setup of setting up your SMTP, having to deal with settings in your cPanel, and having to install snippets of code, etc. Although we walk you through every step of the process for setting up your SMTP with Sendiio inside of the members area, it can still be quite a challenge if you're not tech savvy. With the agency account that you already purchased, we also greatly recommend that you slowly warm up your account over time so that the IP address that you'll be sending from doesn't get blocked by the major email service providers and prevents your emails from being delivered. But what if you can bypass all of that? What if you can log into Sendiio and start using it right away by leveraging our seasoned IP address and SMTP servers? Well, that's what I want to talk to you about in this video. We've built an entire sending system inside of Sendiio with our own dedicated IP addresses and SMTP servers that have already been warmed up and seasoned so that your campaigns can be delivered directly into your subscribers' inbox right out of the gate. This means no messing around with any SMTP integrations yourself, no having to install any DKIM, DMARC, or SPF code, no having to set up a bounce removal email, none of the technical setup that's required with our agency account. On this page, you can access our Sendiio Elite package where you'll be using our servers and SMTP details to send your campaigns, just like all the other major autoresponders like Aweber and GetResponse. All you have to do is literally import your leads, connect the domain you want to send from, and send your campaigns. That is it. By using our seasoned IP address and already warmed up server, you can bank on much better and faster deliverability, which ultimately leads to more profit hitting your account much faster. Let me show you how much faster you can get up and running with our Sendiio Elite account. Alright guys, so in this quick video I'm going to show you exactly how you can log into Sendiio and start connecting to our Elite service right away so that you can have our servers processing your campaigns and avoid having to do any technical setup and avoid having to pay for any third-party SMTP service, okay? Using our Elite service is just like connecting to any other autoresponder where you can just log in, import your list, connect to our Elite service and start sending your emails, okay? And so all you have to do to connect to our Elite service is to come here to the left hand side and click on Elite accounts, click add Elite account, give the Elite account a name, so I can go ahead and put Joshua Zamora 2, choose a from email that's going to be on the Sendiio server so that your deliverability is better. So I'm going to put Joshua Zamora at sendio.com, and then I'm going to set a reply to email as well. In case someone does reply to my emails, it goes to the direct email box, okay? And this is my support desk email, so I'm going to put that there in case someone does reply. Okay, from here I'm going to go ahead and click add, and now that Elite service has been added to my account, okay? And from here all you have to do is assign them to different lists and you'll be able to start using our Elite service to send to any of your lists that you have in your account, okay? So it's that simple. It literally takes 2 seconds to come in here and connect to our Elite service. You just come in here to Elite accounts, click add Elite account, fill this out, assign them to your list, and you can start sending to your subscribers right away using our servers. Nothing else for you to set up. How easy is that, right? It literally takes seconds to get connected to our premium dedicated IP addresses and seasoned servers, and you can start sending your campaigns right away. At this point, you may be wondering, Josh, I would love to bypass the entire SMTP setup process and just use your proven and seasoned sending system, but how much is it? And if you're thinking that we're probably going to charge what all the other major autoresponders charge on a monthly basis, you'd be right. It takes a lot of money, time, and resources to keep a premium sending system like this up and running and to allow users to use it as well. Our system comes packed with multiple dedicated IP addresses, DKIM and SPF records already taken care of for you for amazing delivery right into your subscribers' inbox, bounce and complaint monitoring built in and handled for you, and much more. As I showed you in the demo, you literally just connect your domain and go. And that's why we will be charging the premium monthly fees that the big name brands do. However, since you're one of our early adopters, we're offering massive discounts on our packages for the next week only. You'll be able to secure our premium monthly package at a massive discount. But once this discount expires, it's gone for good, no exceptions. So make sure you go below this video and choose the package that's right for you. And of course, you're covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If for some reason you're not satisfied with using our premium sending system, just shoot us an email and we'll cancel your account immediately and refund you right away. Go ahead and choose your package below.